Only a small percentage of cars ever reach their full lifespan, and most of them die early not because of bad manufacturing, but because of driver mistakes. Every day, millions of people are slowly destroying their engines, transmissions, brakes, and fuel systems without even realizing it. The worst part? Most of these habits feel completely normal. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 things you must stop doing to your car immediately. These mistakes are silently costing you thousands of dollars and cutting your car's life in half. Fix them early, and your car can easily last hundreds of thousands of miles without major repairs. Mistake number 1. Ignoring oil changes. Ignoring oil changes is one of the fastest ways to destroy your engine without even realizing it. Engine oil is responsible for lubrication, cooling, and cleaning internal parts. Over time, it breaks down due to heat and contamination, turning into thick sludge. Once this happens, it can no longer protect metal components, leading to friction, overheating, and permanent engine wear. Many drivers delay oil changes thinking they are saving money, but this small mistake often results in thousands spent on engine repairs or full replacements. Modern engines are highly sensitive, and even slight neglect can reduce performance and fuel efficiency. Fresh oil keeps everything running smoothly and prevents long-term damage. If you want your engine to last for hundreds of thousands of miles, regular oil changes are not optional. They are essential for survival and reliability. Mistake number 2. Using wrong engine oil. Using the wrong engine oil is a silent killer for modern cars. Many drivers think all oils are the same, but viscosity and formulation matter a lot. If the oil is too thin, it won't protect engine parts under heat and pressure. If it's too thick, it restricts flow and reduces efficiency. This imbalance leads to poor lubrication, overheating, and internal wear. Modern engines are designed with precise tolerances, meaning even a small mismatch can affect performance. Over time, fuel economy drops and engine life shortens significantly. Some drivers also fall for cheap or counterfeit oil, which breaks down quickly and loses protective properties. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended oil grade and certification. One wrong bottle may not cause immediate failure, but it slowly damages your engine every single mile you drive without warning signs. Mistake number 3. Driving with low tire pressure. Driving with low tire pressure is one of the most overlooked mistakes that destroys both fuel economy and tire life. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, which forces your engine to work harder just to move the vehicle. This leads to higher fuel consumption and unnecessary strain on mechanical components. It also causes uneven tire wear, especially on the edges, reducing overall lifespan. Many drivers rely only on dashboard warning lights, but those usually activate when the problem is already serious. Low pressure also affects braking distance and handling, making driving less safe in emergencies. Monthly pressure checks can prevent all of these issues in seconds. Properly inflated tires improve stability, fuel efficiency, and comfort. This simple habit costs nothing but saves significant money over time and keeps your car performing at its best every day. Mistake number 4. Skipping tire rotation. Skipping tire rotation may seem harmless, but it slowly destroys your tires and reduces vehicle performance. Front tires usually wear faster due to steering, braking, and weight distribution. If they are not rotated regularly, uneven wear develops, leading to vibration, poor grip, and reduced safety. Over time, this imbalance also affects fuel efficiency, because the engine must work harder to compensate for resistance. Many drivers only replace tires when they become completely worn out, but rotation could have extended their life significantly. Most manufacturers recommend rotating tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. This simple maintenance step ensures even wear across all tires, improving stability and handling. It also saves money by delaying expensive replacements. Ignoring tire rotation is like throwing away thousands of miles of usable tire life without even realizing it. Mistake number 5. Ignoring small leaks. Ignoring small leaks is one of the most dangerous car habits because it turns minor issues into major engine failures. A tiny oil, coolant, or transmission leak may not seem serious at first, but it is often a warning sign of internal damage. As fluid levels drop, critical components start overheating or losing lubrication. This leads to severe wear, breakdowns, or even complete engine failure. Many drivers delay repairs because the leak looks too small, but that decision often results in repair bills worth thousands. Even slow leaks worsen over time due to pressure and heat. Regular inspection under the car can help detect these issues early. Fixing a small gasket or hose is cheap, but ignoring it can destroy the entire system. In car maintenance, small problems are never small. They are early warnings of expensive disasters. Mistake number 6. Cheap oil filters. Using cheap oil filters is a hidden danger that silently damages your engine over time. Oil filters are responsible for trapping dirt, metal particles, and debris before they circulate through the engine. Low-quality filters often use poor materials that allow contaminants to pass through. This leads to internal wear, sludge buildup, and reduced engine life. Some cheap filters also have weak valves that fail under pressure, allowing unfiltered oil to flow directly into critical components. Even if you use high-quality engine oil, a bad filter cancels its protection completely. Many drivers try to save a few dollars on filters, but end up paying thousands in repairs later. A good filter ensures clean oil circulation and long-term engine health. Always choose OEM or trusted brands because this small part plays a major role in protecting your entire engine system. Mistake number 7. Skipping engine warm-up. Skipping proper engine warm-up habits can shorten engine life over time, especially in cold starts. When you start a cold engine and immediately drive aggressively, oil has not yet fully circulated to all internal parts. This causes increased friction between metal components, leading to early wear. Many drivers think modern engines don't need warm-up time, but they still require a few seconds for proper lubrication. The correct method is to start the car, wait around 30 to 60 seconds, and then drive gently until the engine reaches normal operating temperature. Revving a cold engine or accelerating hard too early puts unnecessary stress on pistons, bearings, and seals. Over time, this habit reduces efficiency and increases repair costs. A simple warm-up routine helps protect your engine and ensures smooth long-term performance. Mistake number 8. Using cheap fuel. Using low-quality or inconsistent fuel can slowly damage your engine without obvious signs. Cheap fuel often contains impurities and lower-grade additives that affect combustion quality. This leads to carbon buildup in fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Over time, engine performance drops, fuel efficiency decreases, and starting problems may occur. Many drivers don't realize that fuel quality directly affects engine cleanliness and longevity. Poor fuel can also cause knocking, rough idling, and increased emissions. Although cheaper fuel may save money up front, it often increases maintenance costs in the long run. Premium or top-tier fuel contains detergents that help clean the engine and improve combustion efficiency. Choosing reliable fuel sources ensures smoother performance and protects internal components from damage. Fuel quality is not just about price. It directly impacts how long your engine will last. Mistake number 9. Ignoring air filter replacement. Ignoring air filter replacement is a small mistake that has a big impact on engine performance. The air filter prevents dust, dirt, and debris from entering the engine. When it becomes clogged, airflow is restricted, which reduces combustion efficiency. This leads to higher fuel consumption, reduced power, and poor acceleration. Many drivers forget to replace air filters during regular servicing, allowing dirt to slowly choke the engine. A dirty filter also forces the engine to work harder, increasing wear over time. In extreme cases, it can affect sensor readings and cause rough engine behavior. Replacing an air filter is inexpensive and takes only a few minutes, but it significantly improves performance and fuel economy. Clean airflow is essential for proper combustion, and without it, even a healthy engine will struggle to perform efficiently and smoothly. Mistake number 10. Ignoring warning lights. Ignoring dashboard warning lights is one of the most expensive mistakes a driver can make. These lights are early warning systems designed to alert you before small issues turn into major failures. Whether it is engine temperature, oil pressure, or battery warning, each signal indicates a specific problem that needs attention. Many drivers continue driving normally, assuming the issue is minor, but this often leads to severe damage. For example, ignoring an oil pressure light can destroy an engine within minutes. Similarly, a check engine light may indicate misfires or sensor issues that reduce performance and fuel economy. Diagnosing problems early is always cheaper than repairing major breakdowns. Modern cars are designed to communicate problems clearly, but ignoring them removes that advantage. Paying attention to warning lights can save thousands and prevent complete vehicle failure. If you stop even half of these mistakes, your car will instantly run smoother, last longer, and save you thousands in repairs and fuel costs. Most drivers only realize these habits were destroying their car when it's already too late. Stay consistent, maintain your vehicle properly, and your car can easily outlast expectations by years. If you found this useful, make sure to apply these changes starting today, because small habits decide how long your car really survives.